what a long day it's been. Whew. I still gotta get the dishes done, get the house cleaned up, get the dogs fed before Missy gets home. I've got a long night ahead of me. I also gotta film that dehydrating video. I always forget I gotta come home and film at night. What's this? Oh, I got an email. Google AdSense. Cool. Your first YouTube payment has posted. We got our first payment. We got our first check from YouTube. That must be for a lot. We've got like 170 videos out. I mean, we've been doing this for like a year. That's probably a huge check. I can buy all kinds of good backpacking gear. I gotta call Missy. I gotta call and tell Missy. Honey, yeah, I know you're at work. Just hold on. Listen. This is important. Well, I know you're busy. Just listen. So, Google AdSense just sent me an email. We just got our first YouTube check. Yeah. I don't know how much it is. I have to wait for it to go in the bank. I don't remember what my login for Google AdSense is. It's got to be huge. I mean, we're living good now. We're on that YouTube money. Yeah, I know you're the star and you deserve most of the money. All right? I'll buy you some diamonds or something. It'll be fine. All right? Yes, you can stop and buy that diamond necklace on your way home. Yes. Okay, you're the star. We all know. Okay. All right, I love you. I'm gonna call Yoshi and order some stuff. Yeah, 3FUL gear guy. Yeah, I'm gonna call and order some stuff. All right, I love you. All right, bye. Awesome. I wonder if I have free calling to China. Their ringtones sound so funny over there. Yoshi. Hey. Speak English, Yoshi. Yeah, this is Tony. Tony from Our World Outdoors. YouTube? Yeah? YouTube. Yoshi, speak English. How many times I got to tell you? Speak English, Yoshi. Hey, don't you yell at me. I'm a YouTube star. I'm getting that YouTube money now. You better respect me. Yes, yeah. Oh, you understand that. You understand YouTube money. Okay. I want you to give me one of everything in the 2019 3FUL gear line. One of everything. No, better yet, better make that two of everything. That way my wife has one too, because you know she'll get mad. Yes, I know Missy's the star. You don't have to tell me this, Yoshi. You can speak English real well when it's like, hey, your wife's the star. Come on, man. Speak English, Yoshi. That ain't funny. Don't cuss at me in Chinese. That ain't funny, man. Seriously. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? YouTube money. Oh, now you understand. Now it all makes sense, huh? How much did you say? $4,000? That better have the new Landsham Pro in there. Yeah, the one under 2 pounds. I don't know what it converts to in metric. That's your guys' crap. We don't do that stuff over here. Okay, you can only get us one. Alright, one's fine. But I want two of everything else, Yoshi. And don't be sending me some poncho tarps that have, like, the long sleeves. Ain't nobody want that. Yes, YouTube money. Yes, YouTube money. Put it on my bank card. The one on file at AliExpress. Yeah. Don't tell me it takes 5 weeks. I know better. Quit being cheap. Just mail me my stuff, Yoshi. Hey, Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Mail me my stuff, man, and don't take 5 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks, Yoshi. I'm telling you, you ain't gonna be getting no more of that YouTube money if you don't. You better watch yourself. I'm rich now. Yes, I know my wife's famous and that's why I'm rich. Why do you ask this stuff? Why do you say that stuff, man? No, I can't understand the words that are coming out of your mouth, smart butt. Alright, so you got my address, right? Yeah, it's saved in the store account, yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, I want the rain skirts too. Yeah, we'll go ahead and take those too. Alright. So you're going to email me the total and just put it on the card, the bank card? Yes, the money's in there. I got my Google AdSense thing and I'm rich now. I got that YouTube money. Alright. No, I do not want to buy a jock strap. I don't care that you got a good deal on them in your store. What is wrong with you, man? Just send me my 3FUL gear stuff, man. No, I don't care if it says Flames Creed. Okay. Alright. Yes. Got that YouTube money. What? Gonna get all kinds of good backpacking gear. My wife gonna have to eat them words. She said we ain't never gonna make no money. Now look at us. Ball. She's gonna buy diamonds. She's gonna spend all that money. She's gonna spend all that money. Oh boy. I need to hire somebody to clean this house. For real.
Honey, look! Look what I bought.
How much did that cost?
Only $2,000.
Two grand. Wow.
But look how pretty they are.
Everything looks pretty on you, honey. I'm sure it'll be fine.
How much did we get?
I don't know. I haven't called the bank yet. We should probably do that.
I'm sure it'll be enough.
Oh, I'm sure it'll be plenty. We've been doing this for a year.
I'm so excited.
You know how much money they probably owe us? We got that YouTube money, honey. We're going to be rich.
Rich. An electronic deposit for $131.95 was credited on July 22nd.
What the heck?
Well, I don't know what's wrong. What do
you mean? We've done this for a year?
Honey, how am I supposed to know they're going to pay?
Shouldn't you checked into it?
Well, what am I supposed to do? I didn't know
what were you thinking?
I didn't know they were going to pay me $131. Oh.
I hate you. I should have never married you.
Oh, stupid crap. My wife's so mad at me. I don't even know what to do anymore. I mean, she says she wished she never married me now. We were supposed to, this is supposed to help our financial situation, and I never expected, we'd get rich, but, it was a fun dream. I don't know. She's all mad at me now. I don't know what to do. I really hate YouTube at this point. Jesus. Hello?
Mr. Pippin, this is Angela from your bank. It seems you've overdrawn your account by $6,000. I'm afraid we must lock your account and you'll be hearing from our legal department. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Okay, guys, so you've seen us have some fun with this whole thing. Trying to explain our first check is pretty funny. When you start YouTube, if you're serious about it and you want to do it, you better be doing it because you just love doing it. Because you have to get huge to make any money. So our first check, yes, was $131. Okay? That's after 170 some videos and a whole year of doing it. And that was 4 months real pay. That was pay for 4 months. because you've got like 3.5 months, and then you have to wait like almost a month to get your check. So we're going to go over a real basic version of this and not get too in depth. There's plenty of other videos to go into how to make money off YouTube. We're not doing that in this. We're just trying to explain what happened here. Alright, so you got this thing, it's called your CPM. And basically, for every 1,000 views, 1,000 views. For every 1,000 views, this is how much they pay you. And it changes constantly. It also changes based upon what your group, what you're in, what you do. For backpacking, the average, I think, is like $6 or $7 to $10. We range about $9 in the whole thing. If we were in gaming, it'd be like $30 or $40 per 1,000 views. Mind you that Google takes their 40% off the top of that. Okay, so they take their money and run. So 40% of your money goes straight to Google. You need to understand that. So, going on our numbers right at this moment. Okay, right now. The last 28 days, we made $38.62. I don't know if you can see that. Alright. Now that's based off of 5,803 views. Now just because you get views doesn't mean you're getting paid for them. We get about 8,000 or 9,000 views a month. But you only get so many monetized. And like right after Christmas, when everybody's blown their advertising budgets, you're lucky if half of your views are monetized. So it's just one of those things. It also depends on what kind of ad types you have. Because we've got skippable ads, bumper ads, display ads, non-skippable ads. All these are auctioned off, just randomly put on. If you're on a computer, usually the bumper ads will pop up. It just depends on what device you're on. So there's so many factors. YouTube purposely makes this a pain in the butt. But you can't get paid till you get over $100. But you can't even monetize your channel. You can't even get any money until you have 1,000 subscribers and you have so much watch time. I don't even remember what the number is.
It was 4,000 minutes watch time.
4,000 hours. 40,000 hours. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyways, you have to have so many hours of watch time. It's a lot. But the 1,000 subscribers is the hard part. Watch time, once you get rolling and one video even slightly hits, you'll get your watch time. But grinding to your 1,000 subscribers is hard. Mm-hmm. I mean, we went for probably 7 months to get them. 7 or 8 months to get our 1,000 subscribers. And we had some videos that hit, so that helped a lot. Getting over the edge. But yeah, essentially we've worked for 12 months. We are actually at this very moment sitting here, we have 180 videos. So 180 videos in 12 months. And we've made $131. So that breaks down to, I don't know, what is that? 70 cents a video?
Yeah, probably about 70 cents a video.
75 cents a video. There's not money in it. That's why when people say things like you're self-promoting, I crack up laughing. Because we don't make enough to pay for the gas for a trip in the month. But, it is what it is.
That's not what we're in it for anyway.
Nope, this is something that we enjoy doing. We enjoy having our family and friends watch our trips and things we do. We enjoy helping people. And we enjoy entertaining. I mean, if you didn't see the beginning of this and laugh, there's something wrong with you. I mean, we really are trying to up our entertainment value in it and have fun. Because that is actually our personality, is we like to have fun. And it doesn't always need to be all stern and serious, It's not something you want to start to do if you think you're going to make any money. And people know. People know right away if you're just in it for the money. Mm-hmm. Because we have been offered plenty of stuff to review. We've been offered, sponsorships and Amazon affiliate links. I mean, there's lots of things you can do. You can even go Patreon, which there's nothing wrong with that. But we're not trying to career this. It just is what it is. If it pays for a little bit of gas off the top, that's not a complaint, But,
and it's for the hiking community.
Yeah.
We really enjoy being part of that community.
And you see us going out with people, subscribers, friends, people. You know what I mean? If we were trying to really full bore our channel, we'd be hitting up every bigger YouTuber than us and trying to go out on trips with them. It's not to say I don't want to do hikes with other YouTubers, but I'm just as content to take out friends, family, people from the groups, you know, like our Dolly Sods trip. Yeah, you can't get a better group of people than that. We're not in this for the money. But it's a funny look at it because $131, that's...
Does this mean my diamond bracelets have to go back?
No, those are already paid for, luckily. So the thing is she does it 'cause she wants to be famous.
I do not.
Yeah, that's what it is. So, just thought we'd have some fun with this whole thing. Hope you guys found it interesting. If you do have any actual questions about the system and how the whole thing works, or any questions on this at all, feel free to put them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them. You know, we don't pretend to know everything about YouTube, but we're getting the hang of it. You know, we're never going to be one of those people that has like a gaming channel
Never
that makes...
gonna be big.
Yeah, we're never going to be beast mode or, you know, like these big channels like PewDiePie. But we're going to have fun with it. You best believe we're going to keep riding it and having a ball. It's just what it is. Wait till this winter and see some of the stuff we got coming up. And hopefully I don't spend half the winter on my back and butt like I did last year. So until next time, I'm Tony.
I'm Missy.
And keep watching, because it's going to just get a little more wild every month.